All right, so first off, I want to thank you for purchasing the Gamechanger Shave Gel. It means a lot. So this shave gel is custom formulated to give a nice crisp cut while also keeping the client's skin in mind. One of the few key ingredients that we added was aloe. Aloe was good for pre and post moisturization. Also, I wanted to make this shave gel thicker. Why? So that way the razor glides across the skin and it doesn't pull that hair shaft as you're razor edging. Also, it was very important for me to have a transparent shave gel. It's very important to see the work area as you're crafting this edge. First things first, you want to prep the hair, however that may be for you. My recommendation, a hot rag, leave it on for 15 to 20 seconds. What that does is softens up the hair cuticle, which is the outer layer of the hair shaft. So that way when the razor glides, it makes it much easier. I usually like to apply on the back of my hand. All right, when it comes to applying the Gamechanger Shave Gel, we want to first apply a generous amount to the scalp or to the beard. This shave gel is formulated to be thicker and heavier, so that way when applied to the edge up or to the beard, it lays heavy, laying the hair down so it doesn't run or recoil, especially when you're doing curly hair. It was also engineered to have aloe, so that way it aids in moisturizing the scalp pre and post shave, so it doesn't leave the scalp dry or irritated before and after. What a shave gel does, it actually makes it easier, or it aids the razor in edging and cutting the hair shaft in half or however you need it to be. If you didn't use a shave gel, what happens is you can irritate the skin no matter how sharp the razor, because the razor tugs and pull. Using a high quality shave gel actually helps prevent that. This gel is not too thick, so it won't be sticky, and it's not heavily water based, so that way it won't snatch and pull that hair shaft as you edge. Aloe is the second most ingredient in the shave gel. Aloe vera is a moisturizing plant, so that way as you razor edge, you don't have to worry about the shave gel drying and leaving a crust on the forehead, on the skin as you razor edge. As you can see, the shave gel is transparent. During the formulation process, that was a very important detail that it was a must for us to keep. If you're a barber stylist or someone who's shaving at home, as you work or craft, it is very important for you to see your workspace. Details matter. We didn't want a cloudy product. We needed something that as we work, we didn't have to work around, or I didn't have to wipe off. So that way I can keep the lubrication, I can keep the moisture as I work to apply. So the small things like that were very, very important to us. When using the shave gel and razor edging, it's very important to keep the skin tight. So as I work the side, you'll notice that top and bottom, I usually stretch the skin to keep it in place, but to tighten it. And speaking of that, if you look at my offhand, the hand that doesn't have the razor, the viscosity of the product, the thickness, the product doesn't move, it doesn't shift. It also isn't crusting on my glove. Thickness and moisture is very important. So when I come back and hit those small details like we spoke about earlier, as I'm doing right now, it stays super smooth, super lubricated. Now, let's talk about the beard. Same type process. You want to apply a generous amount on top of the skin, also into the beard. The reason why I apply it in the beard, this is a moisturizer also. So I like to apply it inside the beard to give that shine at the end. It's not an oily product. It also isn't a gummy product. So I can apply this gel, and by the end of the haircut, as it starts to soak into the hair shaft, it'll give a nice natural, not so much matte, but not so much glossy, right in the middle look. As you can see, that razor is gliding right across the skin. That was a very, very important detail. So, I want you all to sit back and watch me apply, but even when I do my backhand stroke, it keeps it lubricated enough and moisturized enough, so that way the razor doesn't skip, it doesn't cut, doesn't bite, it glides right across. Even on the most thick hair texture, you'll notice in the next model, he has very straight hair, straight, thick hair. So no matter the hair texture or the hair type, it works, or the density of the hair. It works on thick hair, thin hair. It works great. So I want to thank you all for purchasing. Continue to watch the different hair textures. And again, if you have any questions, comment, or you can reach out to us at GameChangerCosmetics.com. Thank you so much.